Sir, the services were very commendable because the weather here is very rough, and throughout the process we did not face any problems regarding that. From home we came to the airport, and after that we were very comfortable in our travel. And sir, of course, you arranged for us a lot of things which found very
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, very good morning. This side Chhatradhari. Today I am exploring Penza State Medical University's boys hostel, and now I am with my two students. One is Kartikeya and second is Tilak. They both came from India with us. We started our journey basically on 7th of November. We reached here late night of 7th, and after 2-3 days of spent, I just want to speak with them how is the overall experience and all. Hi Kartikeya, how are you?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
So Kartikeya, as we started our journey on 7th and we reached here on late night, and after that you came to your hostel. How is your overall experience of this hostel?
Sir, first of all, sir, the hostel is very comfortable to live in, and the other fact that our seniors are very helpful. They helped us move our luggage, and we were able to shift very easily from the conditions we were. We were comfortable at home and we are comfortable at hostel.
That's very
And
good.
so food was when we reached we were very late, so food was also arranged for us on time, so we were able to eat, and food is very good also. So we are able to enjoy our stay over here and study properly.
Okay. So as this journey when we started until reaching over here, how you found the ITCS services and supports in this particular?
Sir, the services were very commendable because the weather here is very rough, and throughout the process we did not face any problems regarding that. From home we came to the airport, and after that we were very comfortable in our travel. And sir, of course, you arranged for us a lot of things which found very
Thank you.
Thank you.
So Kartikeya, like many of your juniors or even your classmates, those are still struggling in India. If you want to give some message for them, what you will say? Whether they have one option to come to abroad also to get seats, or they have to try only in India, what actually you feel after coming over here?
So I think the place is very wonderful to study. Specifically this university, sir, professors are very good. If anyone is interested in pursuing medicine, and the scholarship is very good. So I would suggest to come here and study, even though adjusting initially will be difficult, but in 2-3 days we were able to adjust and suit our body clocks to the requirements over here, and everything is very good. I would recommend this place.
Yeah. Thank you, Kartikeya.
Established in the 1940s, Penza State Medical University has a rich history and a strong alumni network, including over 1,000 Indian doctors. Immerse yourself in the rich cultural tapestry of Penza, where tradition meets modernity and every day offers a new adventure. Our smart campus offers everything within a secure boundary, including excellent canteen and cafeteria facilities. Graduate with a degree recognized worldwide and embark on a journey that will shape your future in medicine. With world-class education and facilities, your degree from Penza State Medical University will open doors globally. Our Indian mess facility and 24/7 student care ensure you are supported throughout your educational journey. We also prioritize your professional growth through seminars and meetings with industry leaders and academic experts. These sessions are designed to enhance your learning experience, providing you with insights into the latest medical advancements and opportunities to network with global professionals.